等什么？等天掉下。I got 走光了 not. I forgot my lines. Are you sneezing? I have a secret to tell you guys. Let's go. Hi you guys. Y'all are here to watch my eggless carrot muffin? Yes or no? You know what, since that you guys are already here, why not I just share, right? These muffins are not only eggless, but it's also low in calories, high in protein, and it's 0 sugar. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's go.
I'm using 1 cup of self-blended oats flour here because oats flour is higher in nutrition and lower in calories compared to any other wheat flour. But you guys can use any other flour you have. 2/3 of a cup or a medium-sized shredded carrot, half a cup milk, 1/4 cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts, 3 medium-sized dates, and
2 scoops of these babies. These are actually neutralized soy protein, which serves about 8 grams of protein per scoop, and it's fully plant-based. So for those vegetarians and vegans, it's safe to use. Damn! If you guys want to know more about this protein, do drop your comments or hit me up on my social media. Links are in the description box below. So ingredients are ready. Facts has been said. What are you guys waiting for? 等什么？等天掉下。To a bowl here, I'm adding in all the dry ingredients and mixing them well. Then pouring in the milk and honey to incorporate them well with the dry ingredients. You could add the vanilla essence and mix them all together as well, but I just prefer adding my liquid part by part. Once all that are well combined, I have a secret to tell you guys. It's actually a tips lah. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make dates paste. Jom. Actually, it's not that hard, guys. If you have dates like mine here, which is a bit more softer than the usual ones, then you can just remove the seeds and the skin and mash it really well. But if you have like a harder one, then you might need to maybe soak it a day earlier or a few hours, depending on how hard is your dates. And then just blend them all together and just make the paste. If you guys don't want your muffin to be too sweet, then you can just skip this step. Once it's all nicely mashed, this is how it will look like. Now you can simply add this in the muffin batter earlier and stir them all until it's well combined. Because this is like a paste-like texture, it can be tougher to mix them, but don't give up, guys. All these are worth the effort for those muffin goodness. So now is when you add your protein powder and give it a final stir before we add our king of this dish in.
One eternity later.
Before adding the carrots in, your batter should be in this consistency. If it's a bit too runny, add a tiny bit of flour, and if it's the other way around, add milk bit by bit till you get this right consistency. And now it's time for the king of the show to get in. Add the shredded carrots in and fold the batter over. Again, you can add the cashews in and do this all together, but I just like doing it part by part to ensure that not to be biased to them and make them unevenly mixed. Then don't forget to taste them. Once that's done and everything is good, you like your batter, you don't need to add anything and stuff, go ahead and transfer them to a muffin liner and bake them for
175 degrees Celsius, 20 to 25 minutes.
Voila! That's it for this power pack eggless carrot muffin.
It was delicious. I want another.
Do let me know if you tried this at home, and don't forget to tag me in your social media and hashtag carrotmuffness. Do give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because I do videos every week. And that's it, guys. Till next time. Bye bye.
So you do carrot muffin, must wear bunny baju, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Then next time do apple, something related to apple, use Newton's baju.
If I can find one.
Fine.